So here's a good one. Opened up the compartment just to take a look at things. I guess I need to look inside of here more often. Look what I found. Let's put the camera down. Yep, critter. We had a critter. Who knows? Some sort of a bird got up under here. Never noticed it. Let's go grab the gloves. Let's pull it out. So I guess this is something that needs to be checked about every week or so during the spring, late spring, summer. Because you never know what kind of critters are going to get up in here. Yeah. I don't think it finished its nest. It definitely had started though. Huh. I almost want to get out the get out my blower and just give it a good little toot toot. Look, it was using moss. That's kind of neat. Using some sort of moss. Yeah, that'll blow out when we go driving tomorrow. But, yeah, interesting find. I think we got it all. Yep, interesting find. I guess the first time I drove down the road it would have come out anyway. Just we haven't been out in a couple weeks. And maybe that was. I can't imagine. It's like late September. I can't imagine them getting in here this late. But yeah, hey, that was fun. Alright. On to new adventures. Thanks for stopping by.